Have you ever flown your Avata 2 inside of a big coliseum like this one? If you haven't, I recommend it. So much fun. Check this out. There we go. Just screaming around this place. Oh my gosh, it's so cool in here. Oh, there's an airplane. Check that out. Look how cool that is. Following planes around. Let's go check outside. There's the Coliseum. Look how cool that is. Oh my God. That is so cool. So there's the entrance to the Coliseum. Let's head back inside. This is cool. The wind is a little funky over the top of that thing. Back inside. Let's put it in normal mode, then go through down some of these hallways. Oh, there's Seth right there. Hi Seth, how you doing? Do you see all those cool planes? Okay, so right now I'm basically underneath where I'm sitting. Just cruising around the hallways of this place. All right, now we're gonna enter where, oh, actually, let's go underneath. Let's go underneath. Oh God, oh God, oh God, we can do it. Yep, we can, okay. It's like the Star Wars run. Oh gosh. Oh, I saw another drone. Check it out, look, there's another drone. He probably doesn't know we're even here. Oh gosh. I wonder if I killed his signal. I hope not. I might have killed his signal. Oh, there's another airplane out there. Then there we are. If you ever get to come to one of these live events, I highly recommend it. It's super awesome. This one's in San Angelo, Texas. It's called Tiny. Y'all be good.